crybaby over here, well, he's suffering from a broke millionaire mindset, just like some of you. So we got some not-so-average financial tips for you, to fix your thinking. But make sure you hit the subscribe button first, so we can keep them coming your way. We gonna be in your face.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sharon.
They call me Jack.
And welcome back to our channel, where you're gonna hear some not-so-average financial tips to help get you back on the road to success. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us, please. Give us a thumbs up. That way we can continue to bring these not-so-average financial tips for that broke millionaire mindset. So we will be back with financial tip number 3.
We gonna be in your face.
Financial tip number 3. If you guys are trying to accomplish a goal,
man, please.
I'm going to tell you right now, stop listening to these people who have so much to say, so much advice that they're trying to give you, but you know what they're doing? They're hating. These are haters, people. They don't want you to succeed, okay? They tell you crap, or you can't do that. You think you should do that? That's gonna cost too much money. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't waste my money. That people scamming people out there. Let me tell you, they don't want to see you do good. You know why? Because your greatness shines a light on their mediocrity, their mindset, their pathetic mindset, their lazy mindset. They don't want to go out and do anything, but they don't want you to do it either. Because if you do, they're going to look bad. They're not going to have what you, okay? They don't want you to have that stuff, so stop listening to them. They're haters.
They are jealous.
Haters.
You should punch them right in the face.
That's right. They hate me. Okay, so maybe I went a little overboard. Just a little bit, okay? But haters crack me up, all right? Guys, the only person that wants the best for you is you, okay? You have to listen to your own conscience. Do whatever it takes to become successful and pay no attention to anyone else, because they don't want better for you. Do you understand? It's okay if you guys are on the same level. All right, that's fine. But the minute you start to do this right here, they're going to start talking about you. All right? They're going to feel differently about you. And that is so stupid. And haters, you are full of it.
Hello.
You're so pathetic. You don't think anything of yourself. I mean, what is the problem? What is the problem, man? Why the hell do you try so hard to deter someone from their greatness? Because you don't want to do it yourself? Leave them alone. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Stay broke. Okay? But leave people alone.
But they broke as hell.
To my people who are trying their hardest, you've tried everything under the sun. You've fallen. Do me a favor and keep getting up, okay? Don't listen. Please, don't listen.
Get the losers out of your life.
It's a distraction. You stay focused, because you can do it. You have to believe in yourself, okay? Nobody else is going to believe in you. They think you're crazy anyway, so you might as well go for it. They already think you're crazy. Let me tell you this. If you are ready to succeed, if you are ready to start your own business, step outside the box, click on the link in the description box below, okay? You will be led to a video that will give you an opportunity to change the path that you're currently on. This is whether you want to start your own business, or if you already have your own business, you can actually build from this and become successful if you put in the work, okay? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme or anything, but this is something that will give you an opportunity to possibly live your dreams, okay? And people have different levels of what success is. It's what success is for you, okay? I'm not telling you you're gonna go out and become a millionaire overnight. Some people may just want a few extra dollars to be able to quit their current job, okay? So there are different levels of success. Whatever it is for you, you can obtain it. Just go ahead and click in the link in the description box, below, okay? And watch the video in its entirety and take the necessary steps then to proceed and be on your way, get on your way to success, all right? I'm not great at these videos. I'm not a professional. I'm just me, just someone who would like to see you succeed. We're going to continue to bring these videos to you. And if you like it, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. We're going to be bringing you all sorts of new things too, bloopers on the end. You see how many times I screwed up because I tried to be professional, but I just said, the heck with it. I'm just going to do me, but I love my life, all right? I stopped listening to the haters, and you have to do too if you want to see change. So, you know what to do. Go ahead.
Click the link.
Click
the link.
Click the link. Click the link.
You better make that money.
And I'll see you in the next video, haters.